Hello and welcome to Zig Wheels. We are here in Bangalore in Ultraviolette's factory to look at the F77. Now we have seen this bike a few times before, but here are 5 things that have changed from when we saw the bike last. The first thing of course here is this brand new battery pack, and this is the main talking point for today. If you remember, the original F77 had a modular battery pack. It had 3 separate batteries with a total capacity of 4.5 kilowatt hours. This one has a max capacity of 10.5 kilowatt hours, which is really insane. And because of this, this bike is able to give a range, an IDC range of over 300 kilometers. With a bigger battery pack, of course, that means extra weight. Now the F77 originally weighed around 160 kilos. This one weighs over 190 kilos. But Ultraviolette says that it has the same performance as they had promised originally in terms of acceleration and top speed. So they have tweaked the gear ratios on the motor. The motor output is roughly the same, 27 kilowatts peak output. But because of the ratios, you get about the same acceleration and top speed as they promised in the original launch. Now to manage all this extra weight, of course, they've had to engineer a new frame. Now this frame basically mounts straight to the motor, almost like a Ducati. The motor is a stressed member of the entire motorcycle, and there is a cradle, but this is modular, and Ultraviolette says that this basically is there to ensure that they can build different bikes on this same platform. Now one big news today is that the F77 will be offered in 3 different variants. Now, exactly how they differ, we don't know as of yet, but most likely they'll have different battery capacities, so obviously they'll have different performance as well. And I think some bits on the bike might be different, but we'll get to know more of that when the bike launches on 24th of November this year. Now the final thing that has or will change with the F77 is its pricing. Now I don't have the final price right now, but back in 2019 when Ultraviolette had unveiled the bike, they had promised a price between 3 to 3.5 lakh rupees. That of course will go up a little bit, and we'll have the final pricing on the day of the launch, that is on 24th November. But pre-bookings start on 23rd October for rupees 10,000 online. Of course, if you want to see the entire journey of Ultraviolette and how they got the F77 from concept to production, you can check out the video somewhere here. Or if you want to watch the first review of the pre-production bike, that's also somewhere over here. So do check this out.